Hello friends, my name is Neelam Tarange and today's date is 3rd February 2022 and today's video topic is inheritance in Java. First we can see what is inheritance. Inheritance is nothing but the one class access the properties of another class. This is nothing but inheritance in Java. Mm, Inheritance in a Java. The inheritance concept is nothing but is a relationship. What is a relationship? Is a relationship is a parent child relationship. That means the properties of a parent can be accessed by the child. Why it is needed in a Java? When we can access the properties of a parent, then the properties of a child and the properties of a parents, properties of a and the added properties of a parent, both properties can be executed at the calling of the when the object is created. Object is created. Object is created. There are different types of inheritance in Java. First we can see single inheritance. Single inheritance means the properties of a parent class can be inherited by the child class. Inherited by the child class. This is known as single inheritance. Example of a single inheritance is the animal is a parent class and second class is a cat is a child class. The cat class, that is a child class, inherits the properties of a parent class, that is a animal class. This is known as a single inheritance. Second one is a multi-level inheritance. That means the properties of one class can be accessed to the another class, and this another class properties can be accessed to the next another class. This is a multi-level inheritance. Example, the properties of an animal class can be accessed by the dog class, and the baby dog class can be accessed the properties of a dog class. This is nothing but a multi-level inheritance. Second one is a hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance means the properties of a parent class can be accessed by a two child class, that is a child 1 and child 2. This is known as a hierarchical inheritance. In hierarchical inheritance, example of hierarchical inheritance, that is a animal class which is accessed by the first child class name is a dog class and second child class name is a cat class. This dog class and child this dog class and cat class can be accessed or inherits the properties of a animal class which is a parent class. This is known nothing but a hierarchical inheritance. Second one is a multi-level inheritance. In a multi-level inheritance, both parent class which is inherited or access these parent properties by one single child class. At that time the ambiguity is created. What is that ambiguity? The JVM confuse which parent class properties can be accessed. This ambiguity can be reduced by using the interface. That means the Java cannot be the Java cannot support the multi-level inheritance. And it can be achieved by the multi-level inheritance can be achieved by using through interfaces. Second one is a hierarchical interfaces. In hierarchical interfaces, the one is a parent class, two child class, and these two child's class also can be accessed by one single child class. single child class. This is also a hybrid inheritance. This is also Java cannot be accessed, and this is achieved by the inheritance. The how to use the inheritance. The inheritance can be achieved by using a extend keywords. That means the properties of a parent class can be extended by the child class. Here child class is nothing but a subclass which extend the properties of a parent class, and subclass means the parent class is nothing but a derived class which is extended by the another class, and the child class is nothing but a mm, which extends the properties of another class, is known as a child class. Is known as a child class. This is all about the inheritance in Java. Thank you.